Okay, so we have a problem on the fractional factorial. So this is the same problem that we are continuing from the first slides. That it says that so we are testing the engine size, tire type, fuel type, and load on the fuel efficiency. So it may be like the MPG. And then which combination gives you the best fuel efficiency? So if I go with so let's first check how many. So if you go with the full factorial, you have two levels and then 4 parameters. You will need 16 runs. Okay, this one is for full. But since we will use fractional one, so it means that for a fractional 8 factorial, 8 runs. So factor A, so these are the levels that should be. Factor B, these are the levels. Factor C and factor D. So let's apply it to our problem. So run 1, so A should be low, B should be low, C should be low, which is regular, D should be low, which is light load. Okay, and then we come to run 2, A, B, D, and AB should be low, C, and then D should be high. So A is low, B is low, C is high, which is premium, D is high, which is heavy load. Okay, or then level 6, the full fraction factorial says that A should be high, which is large here, B should be low, which is all season, C should be high, which is premium, and D should be low, which is light load. Okay, you just switch from one level to another. Okay, or you just go from, for example, if it was small as a low level, then you go large as the high level. Okay, you just switch from one level to another. This is how the fractional factorial analysis works. Yeah, but we have multiple fractional factorial that depends on the type of the problem. So how many parameters, how many levels do you have? Okay, so for example, here you see that there are 2 parameters or factors, but 2 levels. Here we have 3 parameters, 2 levels. So this way you have multiple fractional factorial tables that you can use depending on the problem. Okay, this one I finished the fractional and then full factorial analysis problems. Then we will talk about the hypothesis.